Namaste, my name is Alex, and I've been practicing meditation and yoga for 20 years. And I invite you to join me for Meditate Like a Yogi series to take your meditation practice to the next level. Today, when we hear yoga, we usually think of a posture-based practice. And when we hear meditation, we think of those mindfulness practices that are quite popular today. However, yoga is essentially meditation, but yogis were using different methods to master their minds. So I invite you to join me this series and discover those yogic meditation techniques to master your mind and become aware of your true nature. Namaste.